In this video, I will show you how to set up an eBay seller account in under 2 minutes. So in order to do that, you can just head over to ebay.com or you can also head over to eBay Seller Hub. Now on your Seller Hub, you should be able to see in here this. So click onto the Start Using Seller Hub option. Now, once you have done that, it will prompt you to log in into your account or you sign up. So for this one, I'll head over and then using here my Google account, and then I'll just head over and then sign up using my Google. So this one is actually the easiest method because you can just head over and then click onto these options right here, and you should be able to be logged in into your Google account. It doesn't need any password because it's bind to your Google account right here. So for this one, you can also use Windows Hello, but for this one right now, I'll just skip it. Now in here, as you can see, here's now our eBay Seller Hub in just under 2 minutes. You can now create listing. You can see in here your active listing and the likes for your one. You can sell some things and you can add some things on your watch list. You can read some messages and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.